Developed by a cosmetic dentist, Pearl White Whitening Toothpaste gently brushes away surface stains while providing advanced tartar control. Microcrystals burst and whiten teeth while you brush. The unique formula for daily whitening maintenance includes calcium peroxide that acts as an additional whitening agent and provides long-lasting fresh breath. Made in the USA, this toothpaste contains quality ingredients with no animal testing. Whiter teeth is only one result of this toothpaste. It also freshens breath while supporting enamel mineralization, which enables superior whitening results. Available in 3 unique formulas: advanced, sensitivity, and green tea. All made with a unique pearl powder that leaves teeth shiny and sparkling white with long-lasting minty-fresh taste. The sensitivity formula soothes irritated nerves in your teeth while protecting against the causes of hypersensitivity due to the active ingredients of sodium fluoride and potassium nitrate. Pearl White Green Tea formula contains green tea extract with antioxidant and antibacterial properties that help promote healthy gum tissue, inhibits odor, and freshens breath. Available in standard and travel sizes.